Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do party glam makeup look. It's easy step-by-step makeup, so let's start. So first of all, I'm applying stick foundation from Sugar Cosmetics, and after blending out the foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 Almond, and the shade is almost my skin-like. The way I'm hiding all my flaws with the concealer, I wish I could wipe all the problems, like just like that. After this, I will use LA Girl Pro Concealer in lighter shade to brighten my under eyes. By the time concealer is setting up, I always do my brows first. So I'm using Etude House eyebrow pencil. I start with the ends and then move towards the front. As you can see how I'm doing it. Now the brows are also done and the concealer is also blended. And then I am using Maybelline compact powder to set my base. After setting the base, I'm using eyeshadow palette, and eyeshadow palette is from Mars Cosmetics. It's an Indian brand. The shades names are not mentioned, so I'm showing you the shade I'm using. So for this look, I'm using 3 eyeshadows. The first one is, as you can see, I'm using the lighter shade. After that, I will use the darker shade, and then the last is the brown shade. So continue watching till the end. Applied all 3 eyeshadows. Now I'm using concealer to create a cut crease. To create cut crease, I have seen many creators doing this hack, so I thought, why shouldn't I give a try? So I'm applying concealer in the front and opening my eyes so I can see how much space I have to make a cut crease. And I love this hack. See how my cut crease is visible. Now I'm blending the concealer with the brush. To set concealer, I'm using same shade eyeshadow. Now in the ends of cut crease, I'm using the same shadow I've used before to blend out the edges. Eye look is almost done. Now I'm using Revolution palette to apply glitter on my eyelids. Also, don't forget to apply eyeshadow under your eyes. And after applying eyelashes, my look is almost ready. Now it's time for the blush. For this, I'm using Character Cosmetics powder blush. I have dark pigmented lips since the childhood, so before applying any lip combo, I apply powder or concealer on my lips. Then after applying lip liner, I'm using Judy Doll lip gloss. It's transfer proof and viral for a reason. You have to check it out. I know many of you apply highlighter with a brush, but I apply it with a blender and it gives flawless finish. Completing this look with a neck chain and sindoor. And yes, it's my final look. Let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Also follow my Instagram and subscribe my channel. Thank you.